So Anna, what are you eating?
Biscuit.
What's it called?
Cheese.
Kimchi.
Is it good?
No pickle.
Oh, it tastes like pickles?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Tell me more about it.
Pickle. But, I put it away, okay? Green. Apples.
Oh, interesting. Did you say it was spicy?
No. So mean.
Did you know Mommy doesn't like this?
Yeah.
And that Daddy does? And maybe Lily will too. We'll gang up on her and make her eat some. We'll help Mommy down, tickle her, and make her eat kimchi.
The Costco jar.
Okay, Daddy's gonna put it away.
No more.
More. You already had lots.
Oh, okay.
We'll have some more later, okay? Promise, there's lots to go around.
Eat this.
Thank you, Mom.